This is the hangout spot to watch all the crazies come out at night.
7-Eleven and chill?
7-Eleven and chill, yeah. That is the stupidest nightclub I've ever seen. La Selva. Right? Just kidding. Honda. Look at that race car, dude.
Dude. I can see it from here.
Fucking retarded.
Yeah, probably.
Good thing today's not Monday. Because then I'd have to be gay. Yeah, maybe we should do like the usual and just prank call him.
Yeah, I'm gonna call right now.
You're not down.
You have a car in 7-Eleven? Hello?
Put down, dude. She'll see you.
Nah, she won't see. She probably see my truck and already know. She's like, oh, it's fucking
nah,
that.
She knew.
She's like that white guy again.
She'll be looking at okay, she knows what's up.
Oh, shit. Don't come outside.
She knows.
I'll hide the camera.
She knows.
I bet she does, dude. She'll come outside. She'll
Oh, no, it's not stupid.
She won't
She's looking out that window.
Nah, I think she's mopping or something. Shut the fuck up.
Call her again.
No, she's really gonna know it's us, and then she will look outside.
Look alive, look alive. Dude, this Playboy's sick.
Yeah, no, Playboy for fucking car guys.
Dude, I could throw this on the fucking...
Holy shit.
Dude, you should have got off.
God damn, dude.
Oh.
Holy shit. No, dude, that was like a commercial work truck. Wow.
Whoa,
I had to get off, dude.
Yeah,
I'll have to get off and turn back around.
Fuck yeah.
No way. Oh, hey. Yeah, I know, we're all smoking. What the? Oh, it's all down there. Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah, dude, that car was...
Yeah.
They both just... Wow, dude.
He got fucked.
Wow.
They waited for paramedics. There's some dude right there in the driver's seat.
God damn, dude. Well, he's probably stuck in there. Drive safe, people. Drive safe. My finger just went over the lens, but it's all good. Oh, dude, you could smell it.
Oh, yeah.
It's just, it has that, the car accidents have that smell. Dude, that's fucking insane.
Looking back still.
Dude.
Oh, I see ugly pink headlights.
Yeah, those are disturbing. That was probably on the video, too. So we're out in front of 7-Eleven. This cracked out lady just kind of posted up.
I can see so easily.
She keeps like falling asleep. I knew that motorcycle accessories has some for that 600.
I had a fucking hatchback.
God, I wish I had a hatchback. Oh, should I hit it? Should I push him out of the way?
That was the same thing that my dad bought.
What?
That big fart can out the back too. You were fucking
Fort can? Well, there's that 64 up there that was on the C10 Kids channel.
Oh.
Yeah, way up there.